Howdy and welcome to the video. In this video we will be using Python to extract data from a table in a PowerPoint presentation, save that data to a file and then upload that file to a Pandas data frame to manipulate the data with. And we will be using the Python PPTX package to achieve this. This is not a full tutorial, I will be linking the code in the description. Some fantastic person commented on the other video where I used the Python PPTX module if we could extract data from a table in I keep going to say PowerShell. If we could extract data from a table in PowerPoint and load it into a Pandas data frame with Python. And I was like, oh, that's a good question, that one. So a few hours later, here we are. I made a mock presentation for this. So it's title, subtitle. This is a table with some data in it. Not very fancy, but you get the drift. And here is the code. So we're using the PPTX package. So we're going to load up our presentation that we wish to extract the data from. In this case, we're getting the data from the first slide in the presentation. We're getting it from the table and it loops through and grabs out the text and separates it with a comma. And we add that into a list. Then we simply loop through and write that list out into a CSV file. We then upload that CSV file into a Pandas data frame. And then we print the data frame. Let's run Forest. Here's the data that we have extracted. And here is the data frame. So the headers and the data all structured as it was in the table in the PowerPoint presentation. So a quick recap. We extract data from the table within the PowerPoint presentation. We've then saved that to a CSV file. And then we get the contents of that CSV file and we feed it into a Pandas data frame. Full credit goes to Stack Overflow for getting me this far. I'm pretty sure I've read about 50,000 questions and answers this morning because everyone wants to put data into a PowerPoint presentation, obviously. But there was a slim pickings on the extracting data out, but we got there in the end. I have kind of segmented it a little bit with like extra steps, just so if anyone's looking for a particular part of this process, maybe this could be helpful or help direct you in a more helpful direction even. But obviously there are better ways to streamline it and a tidier way to do this. You can do it. You can extract data from a PowerPoint presentation and pull it into Python. Thank you for watching. If you have any other comments or suggestions, please feel free to comment them down below and I'll see you on the next one.